I am Indranil. I am from Birbhum, West Bengal, and I have completed my graduation in geography. But I want to change my career as a digital marketer. First, I want to start a job uh, because I am a fresher. I have done only few internships to Digital Vidya, and after I got a lot of experience, I want to start my own business. So that's why I changed my career as a digital marketer. Because I think when I started it on Google, I have seen that they have also provide some placement opportunity, and that I have also seen the reviews from Google, and check that it's all is fine, and people who have already completed their course from Digital Vidya, they got a chance for the placement, and I just simply check see the all reviews, and then I decide to choose Digital Vidya. Yeah, it's amazing because all of them are very friendly, and they help through the lot whole journey, and actually especially the hand-on experience I got in the class. Some teachers, they also they are never irritated with our question. Whenever we ask a question, they instantly they solve it, and they teach like a friendly way. So that's is like my experience with Digital Vidya. Especially in basic level, I got enough experience, especially because I have done few internships like ACM internships, ACU internships, and that will help me in my future career path. And I think sometimes this internship is not also enough because I want to, if whenever I go the real life, like I want to start as a job, I go for a job, and then I will get a real hands-on experience. So that for starting level, it is enough for me. Yeah, I have already got this will be the final examination, that is Digital Vidya CDMM course special certificate. And also, I have completed all the HubSpot certifications like SEO, HubSpot certification, inbound marketing, email marketing, and ACM, especially Google Ads certification, Google Analytics, and also social media marketing that I have done through my journey.